AutoCAD is a powerful software application. Engineers, architects, and designers use it widely. It allows professionals to create precise and detailed designs. Proficiency in AutoCAD is essential for engineering students. It is a widely recognized software in the industry. Learning AutoCAD can significantly enhance your job prospects. AutoCAD skills are valuable across a wide range of engineering disciplines. AutoCAD enables engineers to create designs with high precision and accuracy. This is crucial in engineering projects where even small errors can have significant consequences. AutoCAD allows for precise measurements. It helps engineers avoid costly mistakes. The software provides a wide range of tools and features. These tools aid in creating accurate drawings. Engineers can input exact dimensions and tolerances. This ensures that the final product meets the required specifications. Furthermore, AutoCAD's precision extends to three-dimensional modeling. This allows engineers to create realistic representations of their designs. They can detect potential clashes or interferences between different components. By using AutoCAD, engineers can streamline the design process. They can easily make revisions or updates to their designs. This reduces the likelihood of errors. It saves time and effort in the long run. AutoCAD's three-dimensional modeling capabilities are invaluable for engineers. They allow for the creation of realistic visualizations of complex projects. This is particularly useful in fields like civil engineering, where visualizing large-scale structures is essential. With three-dimensional modeling, engineers can create virtual prototypes of their designs. They can rotate, zoom, and pan around the model to inspect it from different angles. This helps in identifying potential design flaws or areas for improvement. Moreover, three-dimensional models created in AutoCAD can be easily shared with clients and stakeholders. This facilitates better communication and understanding of the project. Clients can visualize the final product more effectively. This helps them provide feedback during the design phase. The ability to create three-dimensional models also enhances problem-solving skills. Engineers can experiment with different design iterations virtually. They can find optimal solutions without the need for physical prototypes. Section 4. Teamwork and collaboration. Collaboration is crucial in engineering projects. AutoCAD facilitates teamwork by providing a shared platform for engineers. Multiple team members can access and edit the same file. This allows for real-time collaboration and reduces conflicts. AutoCAD supports external referencing. This ensures design consistency and integration. Cloud-based tools allow seamless sharing and synchronization. AutoCAD fosters teamwork, reducing errors and improving efficiency. Section 5. Streamlined workflow and efficiency. AutoCAD streamlines the design process, saving engineers valuable time and effort. Its intuitive interface and comprehensive tools automate repetitive tasks. This allows engineers to focus on more critical aspects of the design. AutoCAD's layering system enables engineers to organize their drawings efficiently. They can separate different design elements, such as walls, doors, windows, and electrical systems, into distinct layers. The software also offers a vast library of pre-drawn components and symbols. These can be easily inserted into drawings, saving engineers the time and effort of creating them from scratch. Moreover, AutoCAD's automation capabilities allow engineers to create custom scripts and macros. These automate frequently performed tasks. This further enhances efficiency and reduces the likelihood of human error. By streamlining the design workflow, AutoCAD empowers engineers to be more productive. They can complete projects faster and with greater accuracy. Getting started with AutoCAD training. Numerous resources are available to help you get started. Online courses. Platforms like TimCAD BD offer comprehensive courses. TimCAD BD provides professional training in Bangladesh from 2010. Learn at your own pace with structured paths. Visit www.timcomputerbd.com or WhatsApp 01712245212. Gain industry-recognized credentials. Practice consistently to master AutoCAD. Dedicate regular time to projects and explore tools. Join forums and communities to share knowledge. Invest time in AutoCAD training for valuable skills. Mastering AutoCAD is an investment in your future.